Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Got a quick one for you. Just a little heads up video. So this FMS Ranger, the 1220 millimeter, we're going to have a little repair video. A friend of mine has this plane and he had a fender bender and the front wheel is busted. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying. So we're going to dig into that in the next day or two and see what we can do to try to repair it. He said that he looked here on our awesome YouTube for some videos with anything to do with repairing the front wheel, and he couldn't find much. So we're going to make much to be found. So stay tuned. The next few days we'll see what we can do with the FMS 1220 millimeter Ranger. So all right guys, hey, thank you. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, you'll see the Ranger here.